You are going to love the 2021 3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.